Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize SignNow for quick agreements after LinkedIn calls. Detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the SignNow website. Log into your SignNow account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, locate the Settings option in the menu. Click on Integrations in the Settings section. Find the LinkedIn integration option and select it. Click on the Authorize button next to the LinkedIn logo. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and click Sign In. Once signed in, grant SignNow the necessary permissions to access your LinkedIn account. Return to the SignNow dashboard and confirm that the LinkedIn integration is now enabled. Create a new agreement by clicking on the Create Document button. Upload the document you wish to send for signature. Fill out the required fields, including signer details. Once you have completed the document, click on the Send button. Choose the LinkedIn contacts you want to send the agreement to. Finalize your choices and click Send Agreement. You will receive notifications when your document is viewed and signed. After the agreement is signed, you can download or share the completed document. This process streamlines your workflow and ensures quicker agreements following LinkedIn calls. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.